Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss few questions and answers of chapter 2 Physical Quantities and Measurement of Physics class 6. Question number 1, what is measurement? How is a measurement expressed? The answer is measurement is comparison of an unknown quantity with a known fixed quantity of the same kind. Next answer is the value obtained on measuring a quantity is called its magnitude. The magnitude of a quantity is expressed as number in its unit. Question number 2, state two characteristics of a unit. The first characteristic is it should be a convenient size. Next is it must be remain at all places and at all times. Question number 3 is name 4 basic measurements in our daily life. The answer is 4 basic measurements in our daily life are length, mass, temperature and time. Question number 4, what are the SI units of mass, length, time and temperature? Write their names and symbols. So the answer is first is mass. The SI unit is kilogram. In short, we can write in small kg. Next is length. The SI unit is meter. We have to write the symbol in small letter m. Time. The SI unit is second. We have to write the symbol in small s. The temperature. SI unit is Kelvin. We have to write the symbol in capital letter K. Question number 5. Define 1 meter, the SI unit of length. State its one multiple and one submultiple. The answer is a meter was initially defined as the distance between 2 points on a rod of platinum alloy kept at 0 degree centigrade in the International Bureau of Weights and Measures at Sèvres near Paris. Now, multiple of meter is kilometer and submultiple of meter is centimeter. Now, question number 6, convert the following quantities as indicated. So, the answer as per the questions given, number A, 12 inch equals to 1 feet. Number B, 1 feet equals to 30.48 centimeter. Number C, 20 centimeter equals to 0.2 meter and the calculation given. Number D, 4.2 meter equals to 420 centimeter and the calculation given. Number E, 0.2 kilometer equals to 200 meter and calculation also given. Number F, 0.2 centimeter equals to 2 millimeter and here also the calculation given. Next, number G, 1 yard equals to 0.91 meter. Question number 7. A. Describe in steps how would you measure the length of a pencil using a meter rule. Full stop. Draw a diagram if necessary. Question number B is explain with an example how will you use the meter ruler in part A if the ends of ruler are broken. So, as per the question, the diagram is given below and according to the diagram, I am going to describe the process. The answer number A. To measure the length of a pencil using a meter rule, place meter rule with its marking close to the object. Let PQ be a pencil. The end P of the pencil coincides with the 0 mark on the ruler. The end Q of the pencil is read by keeping the eye at the position B vertically above the end Q. So, the length of pencil is 4.3 centimeter. Now question number B. In this question also diagram is given. According to the diagram, the answer is the ends of the ruler get damaged with use and its zero mark may not be visible. To measure the length of an object with such a ruler, the object is placed close to a specific marking on the ruler and positions of with ends of the object are read on the ruler. The difference of the two reading gives the length of the object. In the figure, the reading on ruler at the end x is 1.0 centimeter and the end y is 4.3 centimeter. So, the length of the ruler xy is 4.3 minus 1.0 equals to 3.3 centimeter. Question number 8. Name the device which you will use to measure the perimeter of your playground. Full stop. Describe in steps how you will use it. The answer is by using a measuring tape, we ensure the perimeter of playground. To measure the length of playground, the tape spread along the length of the carved area. Next, question number 9a. The diagram below shows a stick placed along a meter ruler. The length of the stick is measured keeping the eye at position A, B, C. Question number B. Which is the correct position of the eye? Write the correct length of the stick and the diagram of the question given below. The answer is number A. Length of stick PQ from position A equals to 3.4 centimeter, position B 3.2 centimeter, position C 3.0 centimeter. So, they are not same. Question number B. The answer is B is the correct position of the eye. Correct length of the stick PQ equals to 3.2 centimeter.